Hey everyone! Welcome to the kitchen! Today, we're going on a food trip to France, the land of amazing food, great wine, and chefs who think they're the best thing since sliced bread. But forget about them. We're here for the food. We're diving into the top 5 French dishes you absolutely have to try. These recipes are so good, they'll make you want to dance. So grab your aprons, get your knives ready, and let's start cooking. First up, we're making coq au vin, which means chicken in wine. Don't worry, we're not using an old bird. A nice juicy chicken will do just fine. This dish is all about slow cooking. We're going to cook some chicken pieces until they're golden brown, nice and crispy. Then, we'll add bacon, because everything's better with bacon, am I right? Onions, carrots, mushrooms, garlic, herbs, all go in the pot to make it super flavorful. And the most important part, the wine. Use a good Burgundy wine. Don't be cheap. You'll taste the difference. Let it cook for hours until the chicken is falling apart and the sauce is nice and thick. Serve it with creamy mashed potatoes, and you'll think you've gone to heaven. Next, we're making crème brûlée, a dessert so fancy even you guys can't mess it up. It's a simple custard made with cream, egg yolks, sugar, and vanilla. The trick is to heat the cream and vanilla until it's almost boiling. Then mix in the egg yolks really fast so you don't end up with scrambled eggs. Strain the mixture to get rid of any lumps, because lumps are a no-no. Pour the custard into small dishes and bake in a water bath until just set. The best part is when it's time to serve. Sprinkle sugar on top and use a blowtorch to make it a crispy, glassy top. The creamy custard and the crunchy sugar is what makes this dessert so amazing. Forget those watery French onion soups you get at some restaurants. We're making the real deal. A rich, flavorful soup that will warm you right up. The secret is cooking the onions slowly for a long time until they're a deep golden brown and super sweet. Add some brandy. If you're feeling fancy, then add beef broth, herbs, and a bay leaf. Let it cook for another hour to let all the flavors mix together. Pour the soup into oven-safe bowls. Top with toasted bread slices and lots of Gruyere cheese. Grill until the cheese is bubbly and golden, and try not to burn your mouth when you eat it. Now some of you might be scared of croissants, but don't be. Yeah, they take a bit of time and effort, but they're so worth it. We're talking buttery, flaky layers that melt in your mouth. Start with a good puff pastry dough, or make your own if you're feeling brave. Roll it out into a rectangle, then fold and chill it a few times. This makes those beautiful layers. Cut the dough into triangles, roll them up, and let them rise until they're nice and puffy. Brush with egg wash and bake until golden brown. Enjoy them warm from the oven with butter, jam, or just on their own. Finally, we're ending our French food adventure with ratatouille. Don't let the name fool you, this isn't just a simple vegetable stew. It's a mix of amazing flavors and textures. We're talking eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, tomatoes, all cooked perfectly. The trick is to cook each vegetable separately so they stay firm. Then we layer them in a casserole dish with a flavorful tomato sauce and bake until tender. Ratatouille can be a side dish, but honestly, it's good enough to be the main course. Serve it with crusty bread, couscous, or just enjoy it on its own. So, there you have it, folks. My top 5 must-try French recipes. From the hearty coq au vin to the elegant crème brûlée, these dishes will make your taste buds happy and take you straight to France. Now get out of my kitchen and go make something yummy. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cooking adventures. Until next time, bon appétit!